Improve your affiliate marketing strategy with these tips. Are you ready to get started in affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing can be a fun and easy alternative to make a lot of money from your home. This video is full of simple and useful tips that can guide you on how to build a successful affiliate site that will become a great source of income over the years. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. Look for companies that provide two-tier affiliate commission programs. This is a great source of passive income for you. The two-tier program will earn you money if a customer you referred ends up selling the product themselves. You will earn a commission based on the product they sell. It will likely take you a good bit of time to discover which affiliate advertisements are the most effective for your particular demographic. Some clients may respond best to more flashy, media-heavy advertisements, whereas others may respond better to more unobtrusive ads. Make sure you adequately consider your target audience when selecting ads. Set up an affiliate marketing system so that you can have affiliates promoting your videos for you. This is good for everyone because it helps promote your product or service and it helps the affiliates earn money. By delegating the job of watching your videos, you widen your circle of readers and followers. Affiliate marketing is no doubt a great alternative for making money. However, as with most things in life, it takes time and patience to make a site that people are willing to visit and generate money for you. If you follow these tips in this video persistently, you will most likely succeed with your affiliate program. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.